Earn money on HubPages. There are numerous ways to make money online now, and as time goes by, the ways to make money online increase. Earning money online is attracting thousands of new applicants every day to this extraordinary world of making money online. It is the ease with which a person can earn cash from their home consoles that is making this world of online money win so much more enchanting. Courtesy of cyberspace or the internet. How do you earn on HubPages? In this video, I am going to tell you about a simple and real means of making money on the internet only with your composition skills, HubPages. HubPages.com is an internet site where you can post a page of content and make money from advertising and affiliate promotion that are placed on the website. HubPages has an ad program that you can sign up for. You'll need a Google AdSense account for this, and once you've done this, you'll be paid a portion of your ad revenue, about 60% of the total your articles generated. The exact formula for how they make the payments is known only to them, but it generally comes out between $2 and $5 per 1,000 visits. I'm averaging a little over $3 per 1,000, which is the norm, so let's work on that. How much would you like to earn? Big money means different things to different people. For some it may be $500 a month, others may be thinking more in terms of $5,000 a month. Any of these is possible if you set your mind to what you want to achieve and are prepared to do the work required to get there. So according to that formula, you will need to write about 600 words to earn $3,000 per month. Well, it may not work that way. And many people would say that averaging 50 views per day per center is a bit ambitious. And maybe it is. But it can be done by carefully selecting your keywords and doing enough promotional work, plus writing very high-quality content that really adds value to people's lives. In fact, some people average over 50 views per day per center, so it's realistic. It will be a lot of work and it may take some time to get there. But remember that as you work toward it, your earnings will grow steadily. And once you're there, your earnings should continue to come with a little regular attention to your centers to keep them fresh and up to date. But even if you were to leave them all on their own, it's likely that their gains could continue at a similar level for many years to come. So it's largely a residual income once you've built it. When will you receive the payment? You can also operate an Amazon program, and you can earn additional money by registering for this and placing appropriate Amazon ads, or text links, on their articles, known as hubs. But the majority of most people's earnings come from the ad program, so we'll focus on that in this article. Your earnings will get accumulating daily until they reach $50, after which they are credited to your PayPal account on the 28th of the following month. Then you can transfer your winnings to your bank account or leave them in PayPal to spend them whenever you want. There are 4 main ways to make money online using your hubs, and the most common one is Google AdSense. You will need a registered Google AdSense account, and then you will get 60% of the revenue your page earns, and the remaining 40% will go to the HubPages.com account. It may not seem like much, but it can really add up quickly. But AdSense is not the only way to make money with hubs, and you can also get commissions from eBay and Amazon simply by setting up a JavaScript capsule to display items from your site collection on your hubs. It is very easy to do. Just click to add the gadget you need and add your keywords, and you will receive the corresponding products for you. You can also promote affiliate products, or even your personal productions, if you like. As long as you meet their conditions, you can use your centers as you wish. As you can see, HubPages.com is really the best way to make money on the internet, especially if you are a newcomer, as you don't need to have your personal website or know anything about HTML or programming skills. What you should do is write unique content that the general public finds of practical and interesting importance. Tips for writing a great hub. If your content is great in hubs, people will want to read and share them. They will also rank better on Google. Here are 5 tips to help you do that. Write detailed and comprehensive articles, at least 700 words in length, but ideally 1,000 to 1,500 words. More if you want. Target specific keywords, but write for your readers, not Google, that is, write naturally. Divide your centers into sections, and your sections into paragraphs. Use punctuation and grammar correctly. Avoid misspellings. Add at least 1 photo, but more is better, that you are legally entitled to use, and attribute correctly, if necessary. Use videos, surveys, charts, etc., as appropriate. Earn $1,000 a month by this date next year. If you just want to make $1,000 a month, or see it as your first big step, you could reach it in 12 to 18 months if you work really hard. Just focus on writing 200 great qualities, information centers, targeting keywords, and promoting them as much as you can. Write 4 a week and you will be there in a year. Even if you only write 2 a week, you will make it in 2 years. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment.